Right, good evening. Another one done. I went out last night and I was absolutely slaughtered. More than ever. So I've not bothered going out tonight. I can't be arsed. I ain't long out of bed, to be honest. But I've done this one. Just a clean up really. Reels were a bit, just as you'd expect. There isn't a coin there. Although there's a light in there that flashes. I've took it out. There's no bulb in there now. But yeah, that's blanked off from the other side. But yeah, that lamp had fell out. That one was gone. I think that one was gone as well. So hopefully all the lamps are working nicely. So, and all the payouts are okay, I've checked them. So, and the pounds now should go as credits because of the rotary switch. There you go, because it's the rotary switch on the board. So yeah, the pounds now will give 10 credits instead of change, which is better. So there you go, and it takes the big old 50p's, but I might get this updated. We should do. There you go. But there you go. And the lamps are not inner lit bands, they're not. So I don't know whether to bother trying an inner lit set, because I'd have to have new reel bands made, because these do not light from within. But there you go, here's what it is. Oh, completely missed that, didn't I? So yep, 10p, £4. Gives you lots of chances, this one. Great sounds, great sounds. I like blue streaks, so this is as good. I'm happy to have this one. I know there's a 5p super streak, and now there's a 10p super streak. 10p. You can get the jackpot from 20p. I'm impressed. I don't think you'd see that. Well, there you go. Right, we'll see if the token input works. It's one of them, it's got the grooves in the tokens and the grooves. I can see I'm going to have to. That starts messing me about. I won't put up with it. Hold on. Right, I'll put some credits on, but we're obviously going to have a look at that. It's going to be a pain. £1. £3. No cash as well, isn't it? Nice. So far, so good. There you go. It's nice and neat and crisp, and it the sounds on this. So it's very crisp. Light blue streak, I guess. Here we go. Oh, nice. See if we get the secret. Alright. Yeah, this is a very welcome addition to this living room. Very, very welcome. Well, I have cheated the board and power supply and nicked out of a machine out the back out of 5 Alive. But I'd rather have this one running. No, that one I get running. It's not a problem. But I really wanted this one running. And I've put a battery. There's a battery on the board of this one now. Because obviously, otherwise you'll lose that. Oh, nice. 80 feet. 40 feet. I would have took the Super Streak repeat chance next club. We've had the jackpot anyway. Oh. Oh, don't know why I've done that. Oh, I don't know why it did that. Still early days, isn't it? Hold on. I think the reefer's just popped. You can see smoke, but the trouble is, normally they carry on working, but this one is obviously, yeah, it's popped one of the, maybe one of the fuses. Yeah, it's missing one of the bolts. So, hold on. Right, the joys. As you've seen, that video was going so well. Then there was a puff of smoke. Anyway, since then, boards, power supplies galore. I've narrowed the fault down, and it's one I've not seen before. So I have asked a couple of mates if they might know. Yeah, well, I discovered this pure by accident. I've tried about 4 different boards. I thought, oh god, none of them are working, or power supplies. So I tried the machine out the back with the board and worked fine. I'm not in this one. And this is what I've discovered. When you turn it on, it's missing a bolt. It's missing one of the bolts there. Won't boot. Okay. As soon as you unplug the lamps, works. All bolts are on. Board's out of reset. Of course, there's no lamps. but works perfect. So it's clear there's a dead short in the lamp system somewhere. Was working fine before, as you can see. So I'm going to add this on to the end of the video, but it just shows you the kind of things that you're up against sometimes. I love this machine. I want this to work. Could be that. It could be. I don't know. There's obviously a fault somewhere. So there you go. As you can see, it works perfect. So what I'm going to do, I mean, you know, where'd you start looking for? I mean, that lamp's working. I mean, I guess I can unplug that to start with to see if the fault's in that board there. That you know, because there's two plugs there, I could unplug them, see if it boots. I have had a mess around with things. That wire was out of that connector. I thought, oh, I found the fault, so I'll put that wire back in. No, is it hell the fault? Then these three plugs here are mostly lamps, so I can unplug each one individually and try and narrow down which circuit it is. I don't know, but that's where we're at with it. So yeah, that's exactly where we're at. Just as you see, it works fine. But the second you plug the lamps back in, it don't boot. There you go. No boot. That's what you get. So it's, I suppose it's a good thing, because it's obviously it's discovered a short. I mean, it could be that, I don't know. It's obviously there's a dead short somewhere. I don't know whether that's in a bulb. If it's in a bulb itself, fucking hell. If I have to, I just pull each bulb out and you know, yeah, it's fine again. There you go. Anyway, so yeah, this is still under repair, unfortunately. I cleaned it all up and I thought, great, I'd done that video as you've seen. I thought the reefer was smoke, because when I opened the back of the machine, I thought the power supply, I might be wrong now, I don't know, but something's happened and there's a short somewhere and I've got to find it, because unless I find it, I'll be playing it with no lamps. That won't be fun, will it? So there you go. I'll put that in the video before if you've watched the video before you see this, but it's great, and it's a bloody good machine. So there you go, the joys. Anyway, that's that. So this is under repair part 2. Right, we have success. I found the fault. Thank God. Thank God. I thought it was going to take a while. I thought this was going to take forever. It is that display. I've unplugged it. It's a credit display thing. Ah, there you go. I can see it now. See that? Burn that. That's what the smoke was on the video. That tanned C1. So I'll need to take that out. That's going to take a bit of digging out. So there's obviously no credit display, but the lamps are working. God for that. Yes. So there you go. I've got a few of them upstairs. Yeah, I've got a few of them upstairs. So I thought that lamp, because that £1.50 lamp, I had to replace that. That's all right, that's in back in now. Things, you know, things we do. Yeah, I got the light on the phone. So there you go, that's what's wrong. Credit display. It's obviously burnt the tan's burnt, and obviously caused melted the metal to short on that board, and the machine's picked that up and it's not having it. That's fine. That's fine, absolutely fine. That's alright, I can live with that. So tomorrow, I'll go and have a few hours kip and then I'll change that out. Hopefully I'll have to dig it out a bit. So there you go. A bit of a happy ending for once. Well, almost. That'll do for tonight. See you later.